Is their love fading right in front of you? Love doesn't usually end in one moment. It doesn't disappear with a single argument or a single bad day. It fades quietly, subtly, almost silently, long before anyone speaks it aloud. When someone starts losing love for you, they won't announce it. Most people avoid uncomfortable conversations, but their behavior reveals everything. The warmth becomes cold. Conversations feel forced. And even when they are physically near you, emotionally they've already stepped away. You sense the shift, but you hesitate, hoping it's temporary. But the truth is, love rarely disappears overnight, yet once it has faded, it rarely returns. Instead of clinging, begging, or trying to fix what someone has already emotionally abandoned, Stoicism teaches us to observe, accept, and move forward with strength. Before the goodbye ever comes, there are signs, 6 clear behaviors people show when their love is slipping away. And knowing how to respond to them with composure and dignity can protect your peace. The first sign: they become emotionally distant. You once shared deep conversations and comfortable silence. Now their replies are short, their laughter feels forced, and their mind seems far away. Emotional distance is almost always the first sign of fading love. Marcus Aurelius said, "Accept the things to which fate binds you, but never let it hold you captive." When someone pulls away, don't chase. Love that is mutual meets you halfway. Love that is fading retreats no matter how tightly you hold on. The second sign: they start keeping secrets. Real love thrives on honesty. But when someone begins to lose love, secrecy grows. It starts small, hiding their phone, vague explanations, sudden privacy. Soon you learn more about their life from others or online than from them. Stoicism reminds us, we cannot control the actions of others, only our reactions. If someone chooses secrecy over honesty, you cannot force transparency. A love that is real will not make you doubt the truth. The third sign: they stop prioritizing you. They once made time for you even on busy days. Now everything else gets their attention. They're too busy, replies slow down, plans get pushed aside. But people make time for what matters. Seneca said, "Time is the one thing we cannot recover." If someone consistently puts you last, don't beg to be first. If they stop choosing you, choose yourself. The fourth sign: they start picking fights over small things. What was once playful now turns into arguments. Little things become big problems. Why? Because when the heart detaches, the mind searches for reasons to justify it. Suddenly your habits irritate them, your words feel wrong, and everything becomes a conflict. Don't mistake this frustration for passion. It's distance wrapped in anger. You won't win their love back through arguments. You'll only lose your peace. The fifth sign: they stop sharing their life with you. You once knew their dreams, their routines, the details of their day. Now their answers are short and emotionless. "I'm fine. Nothing much." This isn't a mood, it's emotional withdrawal. Stoicism teaches us to observe without clinging. If someone stops sharing their world, they are mentally stepping away. Don't ask, "Why won't they talk to me?" Instead ask, "Why am I holding on to someone who no longer values this connection?" The sixth sign: they get easily annoyed by you. The quirks they once adored now irritate them. They sigh. They roll their eyes. They act impatient just because you exist near them. Stoic philosophy reminds us, people change and their change is not your fault. If someone is annoyed by your presence, question why you're staying where you're no longer appreciated. Real love doesn't make you feel like a burden. If you're experiencing these signs, I know it hurts. Losing love feels like losing a piece of yourself. But Stoicism offers a powerful truth. You are not defined by someone else's feelings. You deserve a love that is steady, mutual, and real. If these signs appear, don't fight reality. Don't beg. Don't cling. Observe, accept, and choose yourself. The love meant for you will never require you to question your worth. Stay strong. Stay grounded. Stay stoic.